talking about the page layout in Excel. Now see here the themes. Okay, here lots of the themes you can change for the page setup. Choose anyone. Okay, here lots of the pages, lots of the themes here. You can choose anyone and effect for the your sheets. Okay, design. So this is the theme. Also here the margin from the see this is normal. This is the last customs. Wide you can choose anyone. Top from where, left from where, header. Okay, so this is the margin. Also here the orientation to here portrait and the landscape. See this line effect for the printing area, and it is in the form of the portrait and the landscape. See, if I choose this one, this come here. Okay, now the portrait, it will appear here. Okay, so landscape and the portrait. Also the size, see the A4 size, come here. Okay, see the A3 size, it appear here, and any other A5 size, go to here. Okay, so this is the size. So this is come into the page layout. Okay, thank you.